Hey, and let me welcome you back to Huga House. And today we'll be tackling this log cabin with the Adventure Log Home Kit. The Adventure Log Home Kit makes it easy to build a log cabin on your own. This cabin building is one of the larger log cabins in the Tradesman series of log cabins on the Coventry Log Homes website. The total square footage is 840 square feet, with one bedroom and one bathroom, with an upstairs loft that overlooks the main living area in the log cabin. The Tradesman series of log models feature small log cabins that are perfect for that cabin at the lake or out in the forest to visit occasionally. There are the simple and small log cabins that provide just enough space for a family to enjoy some quality time away from the city. Building a log cabin can be a great way to provide your family with a fun and enjoyable place to use throughout the years and even pass on to the children to use with their children. While there are other small log cabins in Coventry Log Homes collections, it would be nice to have a larger one like the Adventure, with the large back deck and the extra storage space provided by the overhang of the deck. This offers a great place to store wood to keep it dry when using it to heat the interior of the home. The shell is only the exterior of the log home, and then all of the walls and fixtures need to be added to the log house as well, which adds a bit more money to the equation. Most people want to know how much a turnkey log home will cost. Turnkey means that the house is ready to move into and to use right away without having to add anything else besides furniture and your personal decorative touches. If you want to build a log cabin, it's good to think about the prices in your budget, as well as other aspects of building, such as paving an access road to enter and exit the premises of the building site. Sometimes roads can be expensive to put in and add extra costs that the customers don't usually think of. The best time to pave a road is when the ground isn't too wet, but isn't too dry either. It is best to work on paving the roads in the drier, sunny weather than in the rain, because the dirt will not pack down as well when it's all wet than when it's a bit drier. The landscaping also needs to be considered once building a log cabin is completed. Grass may need to be reseeded and native plants may be implemented, as well as stones and rocks to make it fit into the natural surroundings. Coventry Log Homes have such a great variety of log homes to choose from in their collection. In addition to small log cabins, they feature log home models for luxury log homes and timber frame homes as well. The timber frame homes from their collection include building with structural insulated panels that are pre-made beforehand and post and beam construction. All of their logs are handcrafted, and they use only the highest quality of wood in their log home building projects. Cedar wood is also an option that is available for every log home package they offer for an additional cost. Cedar is one of the best types of wood to build homes out of because of its high resistance to mold and mildews and to insects as well. And that's our video. If you like it, please do consider dropping a like. It really helps this channel to grow. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to this channel. We're going to be featuring new homes every single day, from log homes to tiny homes to vacation homes and other inspiring home ideas. I hope you have a great day, and we'll see you in the next video.